Hi everyone, this is Cheyenne Lespinas. I'm the owner and event specialist at Simply Elegant Events, and we cater to entrepreneurs and small businesses. So we help you plan your events. We help you plan your events in a corporate and professional manner. The reason why I've started this company is because I've met a lot of entrepreneurs along the way. I've met a lot of small business owners along the way. And I realized that there was a need to help them plan effective events. I have been an event planner for over 9 years now. I've worked with New York Knicks, I've worked with the Rangers, I've worked with pharmaceutical companies, I've worked with Starbucks. So many Fortune 500 companies I've worked with and I've planned events for. The one thing that I did realize throughout the entire process is that each company knew that the event was a way for them to make money for a product, service, or whatever it is. I've really been researching how small businesses and entrepreneurs can use that information to enhance their own events. To be honest, not a lot of entrepreneurs and small businesses understand the depths of what an event can do for their business. If they do understand it, they don't know how to monetize their events to make money and to use someone else's money to make their event successful as well. I've created the physical event planning course to do just that, to give you information, teach you lessons, teach you the tidbits, the inside scoop, give you the tea on how to make your event successful, get money at your events, and promote your brand awareness at your events. So in the physical event planning course, you are going to learn the insides of how you can make money, how to plan your own event without using your own money, how to use your event to promote brand awareness, and how to keep your clients and customers engaged at your events and even after your events. You're also going to learn how to properly market your events and make sure that you're reaching the people that you need to reach. And you're gonna learn a lot about how to handle my triple S, shit show situation. So I'm super excited that you are gonna be a part of this class. I'm super excited that you're here. All you have to do is click another button and you're in. All right, so I'll see you in class.